Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Inspire Academic World. Today I discussed daily uses English sentences, so let's get started. The teacher has arrived in the class. She talks to the children. Good morning class. Good morning ma'am. Open your English textbook. Excuse me ma'am, I want to say something. Yes, Raghav, what have you to say? Ma'am, today I have not brought my English textbook. Why, Raghav? Ma'am, today I got up late, so I could not arrange my bag in the morning. But, Raghav, you should have done it yesterday evening. I'm sorry, ma'am. I will take care of it now. Okay, Raghav. Aman is your deskmate. You may share his book. Aman, can you please share your book with me? Sure, Raghav. Thank you, Aman. Excuse me, ma'am. Which page we have to open? We are on page number 23, Aman. थैंक यू मैम। ये थे कुछ डेली यूजेस इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।